Looking for a compact mirror that combines style, functionality, and crystal clear reflection? The Danielle 3-way compact mirror is designed to meet all those needs and more. Measuring just 10 by 2 by 7 inches, it's perfectly sized for travel or everyday use, folding up neatly with a handy handle for easy carrying. What sets this mirror apart is its true image viewing capability. Featuring high-quality optical glass, it delivers a 1x magnification without any distortion. That means what you see is exactly what you get, no surprises, just sharp and clear reflections every time you check your look. Versatility is another strong suit here. Whether you prefer holding it in your hand, hanging it on a hook, or setting it upright on your vanity, this mirror adapts effortlessly. Its 3-way design lets you view your face from multiple angles, making makeup application or grooming more precise and convenient. Styled in a classic silver finish, this mirror adds a touch of elegance to your beauty routine. It blends seamlessly with any decor, fitting comfortably alongside your other beauty tools and accessories. The timeless look ensures it won't feel out of place, whether in your bathroom, bedroom, or travel bag. Danielle Creations has been a trusted name for over 30 years, known for quality cosmetic mirrors and beauty accessories. This mirror is no exception, crafted with precision and built to last. Users praise its perfect size, functionality, and excellent quality, highlighting how it stands firmly and offers multiple viewing angles without hassle. If you've struggled to find a compact mirror that's both practical and stylish, this is worth a look. It's not oversized or flashy, just a reliable, well-made tool that fits your lifestyle. The ease of use and distortion-free clarity make it a smart addition to your daily routine. Ready to upgrade your mirror game? The Danielle 3-way compact mirror offers what you want: clear views, versatile use, and a sleek design that lasts. Try it when you're ready to enjoy a mirror that works as hard as you do.